When asked to find the value of the discriminant, remember that you only need to have the b squared minus 4ac part of your quadratic formula. So we need to have it in standard form. So looking at number 15, and it's not in standard form, so we need to subtract the 4x over to the other side, making it negative 4x. And we're actually going to add, yeah, that's right, add the 3 over to the other side, making it equal to 0. All right, our a term is 2, our b term is negative 4, and our c term is 3. So let's plug into the b squared minus 4ac. All right, so our b is negative 4, so negative 4 squared is going to be 16 minus 4 times our a term of 2 times our c term of 3. And then if we math all of that out, we would get an answer of negative 8. And we know that anytime that we have an imaginary number, or I'm sorry, that we have a negative number, it's going to be an imaginary solution. All right, so looking at number 16, remember we need to be looking at the formula b squared minus 4ac. And taking a look at it, it looks like it's in standard form. I have an a term, a b term, and a c term. My b term is 5, so I'm going to say 5 squared. I'm going to go ahead and say it's 25 minus 4 times my a of negative 3 and my c term of negative 2. So if I math all that in my calculator, I get an answer of 1. So if I get a 1, that I know that that's a perfect square, so I know it's going to have 2 real rational solutions.